Hey, Tech Vibe family, today I'm giving you the inside track on a fresh new entry in the beginner drone world, the DJI Neo 2. If you're all about ultra-portable aerial shots and smoother performance, this could be your next favorite gadget. Imagine stepping outside, palm in the air, and this sleek little drone lifts off effortlessly, not just for your usual 18-minute hover, but pushing past 20 or even 25 minutes. That's exactly what the Neo 2 promises with its upgraded 1,606 mAh battery, giving you more airtime to capture the moments that matter. Rumor has it the Neo 2 could debut as early as late 2025, possibly during the fall season. DJI tends to roll out their consumer drones around that time. Think back-to-school meets holiday shopping energy. Although there's no official confirmation, speculation is strong thanks to recent regulatory filings signaling that it's ready for launch. So, what's new under the hood? First off, flight time is looking much better. With a bigger battery, expect more freedom to chase the light, record-sweeping scenery, or nail longer tracking shots without constantly rerunning to recharge. On the vision side, the Neo 2 seems aimed at serious improvements, potentially packing a larger camera sensor, maybe a 1/1.3-inch CMOS chip, that could handle 4K video at 60 frames per second and 12 MP stills with better low-light performance. That means cleaner shots, smoother motion, and more cinematic impact. Safety-wise, users could benefit from enhancements like a smarter AI tracking system, potentially even basic obstacle avoidance, while maintaining the drone's lightweight so you stay under registration limits. DJI's sweet spot for portability and convenience. If you're wondering about how this will perform when people get hands-on, imagine a Reddit user saying something like, "The Neo 2 will undoubtedly cost more, and US availability might be limited, but it looks like a refined, more capable successor." That sentiment echoes what many beginner pilots and hobbyists are thinking. Better functionality is always welcome, even if you're already happy with your Neo today. Will the Neo 2 make it to your region? The picture is mixed. While some countries are smooth sailing, others face delays due to customs or regulation, especially in regions where DJI products sometimes encounter barriers. But with those filings cleared, optimistic insiders expect a rollout soon after the certification goes official. And the price? Early estimates suggest the Neo 2 might start around $229 for the base model. Upgraded bundles, maybe including spare batteries or a remote, could climb to around $529. That's a small step up from the original Neo's $199, but with tangible benefits in performance. Bottom line? If you're using the original Neo and love its platform, the Neo 2 is mild refinement, but still a welcome one. Bigger battery, sharper camera, smarter tracking, these add to a smoother, more dependable experience. But if you're new to drones or on a budget, this could be the perfect time to wait for a leap forward. That wraps up our preview of the DJI Neo 2, more flight time, possibly better visuals and safety, expected in late 2025, and worth a serious look if you're serious about aerial vlogging.